Double-click to enter the repeater widget canvas. Select the item. Add a click event. Choose Set Selected. Choose this widget and choose Toggle. Then select the background rectangle and add a selected event. Choose Mark Rows, choose Repeater, and choose this. Add another unselected event to unmark this row. Then add a selected style effect to it. Select the Delete Marked Rows button to add a click event. Choose Delete Rows, choose Repeaters, and choose Marked. Preview the prototype, click the item to mark or unmark it. Click on the Delete Marked Rows button to delete the marked items.